What's up, guys? All right, so today I'm going to be trying to do 50 mini ramp grinds and slides. I realize on this channel I'm always learning technical lip tricks, and really when I'm skating ramps I'm usually cruising around doing long like tail slides or Smith grinds, stuff like that. So today I'm going to try to get 50 of them in one day. Yeah, it's a lot of tricks. I think I could do it though, but towards the end it's definitely going to get difficult. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Made it through 10 tricks. I'm already a little exhausted, so it might be a little tougher than I thought. All right, so made it halfway through. Took about an hour and 25 minutes, so definitely feeling I'm like completely drenched and just dead tired. So didn't realize like with all these tricks, you think you could do them like every try, like a frontside lip slide, but if you don't do it every day, it's like 10-15 tries for every trick adds up after a while. So hopefully we can get through it though. All right, guys, final 10 tricks, I think. Might have lost count, but yeah, got no energy left at all. My legs are so done. Got 3 tricks left and that's it. All right, one more. As much as I want that to count, I think my wheels touch first, like in 50-50, then the feeble. I have to redo it. Body's done.